Hi girls, welcome to our channel. Wow, lion, very nice, very beautiful. Wow, very small panda, so good. Wow, tiger, amazing. Wow, duck, so sweet. Wow, camel, very small camel, very nice. Then, wow, crab, amazing. Then, wow, tiger, very nice, very beautiful. Wow, ladybug, big size ladybug, so good. Then, wow, very small crocodile, very nice. Then, wow, cheetah, so good. Then, wow, octopus, very nice, very beautiful. Then, wow, honeybee, very nice. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Keep support.